Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 40 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 40, so we write this into the simplified form. So here in this problem I can solve this by two methods, and please comment which method you like here. Okay, please watch the complete video, and at the last you can just comment which method you like here, and if you have any other method for your mind, so please explain in your comment. So here the very first step we are going to do is, first we need to focus on the base of the above term and the exponent of the denominator term. So we here first we break this 40 on both of the terms, numerator and denominator as well. So that now first we write this 40 as we know that 40 equals to 20 times of 2 and its exponent is 20, and it is divided by, this is 20 to the power of 40, and we write it as 20 to the power of 20 times of 2. So here we can just break the 40 on the numerator and denominator, and at the last we need here the exponent laws. You know that if we have a multiplied by b and its exponent is m, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. So here according to this exponent law, we write our numerator term as 20 to the power of 20 multiplied by 2 to the power of 20, and after that here we have another exponent law. So we write it as, if you have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we write it as a to the power of m and its whole power is n. So according to the second exponent law, we write the denominator term as in this form, because here you have 20 to the power of 20 times of 2. So we move this 20 inside the bracket and we write it as 20 to the power of 20 and its whole exponent is 2. And after that here we use another exponent law. You know that if we have a square, so the means of a square is that we need to multiply a with a, so that according to this rule we will just write we will just break this 20 to the power of 20 as in this form. We write it as 20 to the power of 20 multiplied by 2 to the power of 20, and it is divided by, here we write this 20 to the power of 20 square as 20 to the power of 20 multiplied by 20 to the power of 20. Okay, so you see here according to this rule we will write this square in this form. And now you see that this 20 to the power of 20 is cancelled out by this 20 to the power of 20, and we have the remaining terms are 2 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 20. So here we apply another exponent law. You know that if you have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, so according to this rule we write it as a over b and its whole exponent is m. So here according to this exponent law, you see here the exponent of both of these two terms are same, so we combine these two exponents and it will be written as 2 over 20 and its whole exponent is 20. So we write this expression in this form. Okay, so here we need this step-by-step solution, because in exam if you can skip these steps then you cannot get the complete marks of this question. Okay, and now here we need to cancel these terms, or in other words we break our 20 as 2 times of 10. We know that 2 times of 10 becomes 20 and its whole exponent is 20. So here we need to cancel this term. This 2 is cancelled out by this 2 and we have 1 over 10 and its whole exponent is 20. Okay, so now here we move backward and now we can apply this exponent law from this term to this term. It means that if you have the common exponent, then you can apply this exponent on separately on both of these terms, like in this way. Okay, so that here When you can apply this 20 on both of these terms, it will be written as 1 to the power of 20 divided by 10 to the power of 20. And we know that any power of 1 is equals to 1, so 1 to the power of 20 equals to 1, and we have 10 to the power of 20. So this is the our final simplified form of the given algebraic expression which we can get from our method number 1. And now here we need to move towards our second method. So now in second method, here first we need to copy down the given question statement, so that the given question statement is 40 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 40. Okay, this is the our given question statement. And now here we need to focus on the denominator term, and in the denominator we have 20 to the power of 40, and we write this 40 as 20 to the power of 20 multiplied by 2. We know that 20 multiplied by 2 becomes here 40, and here we can apply the exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, it is equals to a to the power of m to the power of n. Okay, so according to this exponent law, here we need to break these exponents in this way, and we write it as 40 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 20 and its whole square. Okay, here we move this 20 inside the bracket, and we move 2 to the outside the bracket in this way. And now after this step, here we need another exponent law. You know that if we have a square, we write it as a multiplied by a. Okay, so according to this rule, we will write the denominator term as 40 to the power of 20 divided by, this is 20 to the power of 20 square, and we write it as 20 to the power of 20 multiplied by 20 to the power of 20. Okay, so when you write this into this form, and after that we have another exponent law. If you have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, if you divide two numbers but its bases are different and its exponents are same, then you combine its exponents in this way, a over b to the power of m. Okay, so according to this rule, we need to combine the exponent of these two terms, and it will be written as 40 over 20, and its exponent is 20, and it is multiplied by 1 over 20 to the power of 20. Okay, so further we need to simplify the terms, and you see here this is 22s are 40, and we will get here 2 to the power of 20 multiplied by 1 over, this is 20 to the power of 20. So here we need to focus on the denominator term, and here you have in the base is 20, and we write it as 2 to the power of 20 divided by, we write this 20 as 2 multiplied by 10, and its exponent is 20. Okay, so here we need to break this exponent, and we write this 20 separately on both of these terms, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 20 divided by 2 to the power of 20 multiplied by 10 to the power of 20. So this 2 to the power of 20 is cancelled out by this 2 to the power of 20. And finally, we have the simplified form of the given algebraic expression is 1 over 10 to the power of 20. So this is the same answer which we get in method number 1. And this is the final simplified form of the given question. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.